All right, here we go. May 28th, out at the farm, as you can tell by the chickens. So last week I added a third super. I didn't have any drawn comb, so let's see what they're up to and how far they got in a week. Oh, we got bees trying to haul out some dead drones here. All right, hold on, ladies. There you go. You're welcome. Let me just go slow. Look at that beautiful white pearly comb on the top. All right, let me just make sure you got, oh, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome. Let me just fix this real quick. I want you to see what I'm seeing here. My new camera stand is a little too loose. All right. So like I said, added a super, honeysuckle came and went. And I'm thinking we should have maybe some frames almost ready for harvest. I'm hoping next week, fingers crossed, if not 2 weeks. But by the looks of this, look at that. Oh yeah. Girls, nicely done. So oh wow, look at this. Oh, boom. Look at you go. Honeysuckle. In what, 2.5 weeks, I would say? All right, I missed it. The last video, I want to say, what's today? 28th, 21st, the 14th, there was a trickle. Come on, little lady, move over. Oh yeah. I'd say next week. Next week. So this is, it's getting any higher. I'm gonna have to do so. Oh yeah, look at that one. That's done. It's done. That's the 80% rule. So next week, be prepared. I need plenty of extra equipment next week. Oh yeah, here we go. Whew. We could be looking at a box next week. This is exciting. Oh my, oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Boop. All right, it's on, next week. Next week, not even my strongest hive here. Like I said, this is, if you haven't watched these videos before, I did a 2-frame split on the 1st. I did a 2-frame split on the 14th. And I'm just hoping that they switched from swarm mode to honey harvest mode, which looks like they have. Wow, ladies, this is gonna be a box. It's gonna be a box. All right, this one, not so much. Starting though. All right, I don't need to see any more of that. Don't mind my hand here. Oh yeah, look at this. Girls, I'm afraid to lift this thing up. Looks good. Yeah, so like I said, I added a honey super last week. Not drawn comb, so it'll be interesting to see what they've done in a week's time. All right, here we go. This is where I break my bed. Oh yeah, you gotta be kidding me. All right. Oh, that's awesome. All right, here we go. Let me move you back down to earth. Yeah, we're looking at like maybe a box next week. So everything is 2 weeks early. I'll have to go back and look, but I know, girls, let me get that out of there. A lot of burr comb today. I got a couple of you. Come on, move it along. Move it along. Put that right up there. Oh, beautiful. Full of nectar, of course. All right, good. All right, oh, get out of there. Get off there. Ride the wave. Okay, here we go. One more. Come on, girls. You guys gotta go. I'll scoop right under you. I don't have all day. All right, you're seeing what I'm seeing, correct? All right, here we go. But definitely we're pulling frames next week. And we'll just see how far along they've got here. This is the second super. Oh, that looks good. Boop. Boop. Look at you go, ladies. Yeah, maybe I'll have enough to pull an entire box out. Well, there we go. Look at you go. Girls. Wow. That's amazing. Nicely done. Yeah, we're definitely... So there's a lot of pollen in this one. In these frames, this is where the queen domes, they fill around it. I mean, for me, they filled the top box fine. No problem. But these frames will take a little bit longer. That looks fantastic. Just hope you can keep it going. We're gonna get a lot of rain this weekend. Just 1 cup. A lot of rain this weekend, so let's hope that's a good blast for the flowers. And we can continue on. We've been in a dry patch right here. What are we doing, girls? Cups? Cups on the second floor? Boop. Nothing. Not worried. No worries. All right, I think they've switched gears. So here we are. There's another beautiful one. Right, you're seeing what I'm seeing. Oh, there it is. The chickens, they're not happy. Maybe they are happy. Here we go. That's it. Yeah, it's like deja vu. They all look about the same. Are all probably a couple weeks out, maybe a week out. But from the looks of it, I mean, let's see what's in the bottom box and see what they've done in a week. But that just looks good. All right, what else do I have? Where did I put those frames? I gave you new frames, didn't I? And then this one here, they're just capping that little bit on the outside, but that is complete. The dome looks good. So, all right, we look good right there. Next week, probably should bring some muscle. I'm gonna need an assistant next week. Lift boxes for me. This looks good. Okay, ladies, hold on. Don't mind my arm there for a second. Probably not as heavy as the top one, but yeah, it's still heavy. Oh my goodness, yes. All right, so here, let's take a peek down a little lower. A little lower. Okay, so this is what I gave them in a week. And what I did was I took 2 frames from the top and I put it in the middle. So these 2 they've had. So the outer 4, they're all gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, all new. So let's see what they've done in a week. And they got nowhere to put it up top. So let's hope we're in honey production mode. All right, that's completely empty. So it looks like they haven't. Oh yeah, actually they have. All right, so not really. The outer 2 have nothing. And when I see a drone, fly away. You don't want to go in there. You're not going to get out. You're not going to get out. Oh yeah, look at what they've done in a week. So they're starting on it. So this is what? 1, 2, this is frame 3. This is brand new last week. And this one here, brand new last week. And they filled it. Look at that, it's all full. Very, very clear. Once they start drying it out, it'll turn a nice little golden color. Not very gold this time of year. Spring is very light. Look at that rain. Ladies, what are we doing? Oh, that's awesome. All right, so we are Whew, okay, so this would be 4. So that and this one were frames they already had that I moved down. So like I said, I take 2 from the up top super, slide them down, and then give them, so that way the box isn't completely new. They have 2 frames right in the center. They come right up. They've already worked. Like, so this one's brand new too. And they're just drawing that side out. And that's nothing. So 1, 2, 3. So they got some work ahead of them. 3, 4, 5. 5 frames they haven't touched. So they started on 3. So that's it. This is, like I said, we haven't even hit June yet. We haven't even hit June and we're talking about adding another, or pulling a box of honey. So far so good. Phenomenal spring. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.